Tired of dragging hoses and hunting for outlets? Today, we're breaking down the best cordless pressure washers that deliver power, portability, and convenience. Check the links in the description below to see the best deals. Let's jump in. Freedom from cords and hoses makes outdoor cleaning faster and far more convenient. The Kepeak cordless pressure washer is built around a 200-watt motor powered by a 21-volt lithium battery, producing up to 1,450 pounds per square inch with a 5 liters per minute flow rate, strong enough to remove stubborn dirt from cars, bikes, patios, and outdoor furniture. Weighing only 2.18 pounds, it's exceptionally lightweight and easy to handle for extended cleaning sessions without fatigue. This washer includes 2 rechargeable batteries, delivering around 20 minutes of runtime per charge and recharging fully in just 2 to 3 hours. Its ability to draw water from buckets, pools, or lakes adds true portability, while the integrated filter basket protects the pump from debris. Safety features like IPX6 waterproofing, automatic shutdown, and a durable ABS housing ensure long-term reliability. Users consistently praise its strong cleaning performance for its size, simple assembly, and excellent portability. The included carrying case keeps accessories organized, making it ideal for travel, garages, and quick outdoor jobs where convenience matters most. Cordless convenience meets everyday cleaning versatility in a compact handheld design. The Ontel Hydro X5 Pro Cordless Pressure Washer delivers up to 350 psi using a 21-volt rechargeable battery, offering roughly 5 times the power of a standard garden hose. While not intended to replace full-size washers, it performs well for rinsing muddy bikes, cleaning tools, patios, vehicles, and outdoor gear. A standout feature is its dual water intake system, allowing use with either a garden hose or siphoning water from a bucket, pool, or lake. The 6-in-1 spray nozzle provides multiple spray patterns, while the included soap and foam dispenser improves cleaning efficiency for vehicles and siding. At 6 pounds, it remains portable, with a battery capable of lasting through typical light to medium cleaning sessions. Customer feedback highlights its ease of use, lightweight feel, and decent battery life. Opinions on pressure are mixed, but most users agree it offers solid performance for routine household tasks where portability and simplicity are the main priorities. Compact size hides impressive performance in this ultra-portable cleaning tool. The Highsam cordless pressure washer features a powerful 400-watt brushless motor spinning at 30,000 RPM, delivering up to 1,500 psi and a high 2.6 GPM flow rate. Despite its strength, the unit remains lightweight and easy to carry, making it suitable for cars, patios, fences, and garden cleaning. Dual 4,000 mAh batteries provide extended runtime, while the built-in LED display clearly shows battery levels and adjustable speed settings. The 6-in-1 nozzle and rotatable spray head allow precise control for both delicate rinsing and heavy-duty blasting. Water can be drawn from faucets, buckets, lakes, or pools, thanks to included adapters and a protective filtration system. Users appreciate the strong pressure output, quiet brushless motor, and smart display features. The compact build, safety lock, and organized storage case further enhance its practicality, making it a solid choice for users who want professional-level power in a highly portable form. Strong cleaning performance and long runtime define this well-balanced cordless washer. The Blissthrill cordless pressure washer is powered by a 21-volt 4.0 ampere-hours lithium battery that delivers up to 40 minutes of consistent cleaning power. Designed for portability, it handles cars, patios, windows, bikes, and outdoor gear with ease while remaining lightweight and easy to maneuver. Its 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle allows quick switching between spray modes, while the foam attachment produces thick suds for deeper vehicle cleaning. A flexible 23-foot hose offers extended reach, and the adaptable water intake system supports faucets, garden hoses, buckets, pools, and open water sources. The rugged construction and quick connect fittings make setup fast and straightforward. Customers consistently praise its strong pressure, excellent battery life, and user-friendly design. Many highlight its effectiveness for car and motorcycle washing, as well as mold removal. With a complete accessory kit and organized storage case, it delivers reliable performance for everyday and outdoor cleaning needs. Smart design and compact storage set this washer apart from traditional portable models. The Fanttik NB8 Fold electric pressure washer features a foldable body that expands into a 12-liter water tank, making it ideal for apartment living, travel, and on-the-go use. Powered by a built-in 4,000 mAh battery and USB-C charging, it delivers 20 to 50 minutes of runtime depending on pressure settings. 4 preset pressure modes and 5 adjustable spray angles allow precise control for different tasks, from washing bikes and car wheels to gentle rinsing of outdoor gear or pets. Operating within a 220 to 350 psi range, it balances cleaning power with efficiency. The lightweight build and compact folded size make transport and storage effortless. Users appreciate its portability, modern design, and effectiveness for light to medium cleaning. While battery feedback is mixed, most customers find it convenient, powerful for its size, and especially useful where traditional pressure washers aren't practical. High-pressure performance meets professional-grade engineering in a cordless format. The ZixDeNex cordless pressure washer uses a 380-watt brushless motor and tri-plunger pump system to generate up to 800 psi, delivering consistent and reliable cleaning force. 3 adjustable pressure settings allow smooth transitions from gentle misting to powerful blasting for driveways, fences, and heavily soiled surfaces. A 4.0 ampere-hours battery provides over 40 minutes of runtime, with a digital LCD display showing real-time battery levels. The 17-foot high-elasticity hose resists kinks and supports water intake from buckets, lakes, or garden taps, thanks to an integrated filter system. The 6-in-1 Quick Connect nozzle and foam pot add versatility for automotive and household cleaning. Users value its strong pressure output, quiet operation, and durable construction. The included suitcase and wide range of connectors make it easy to transport and adapt to different cleaning environments, ensuring dependable performance season after season. Power, portability, and thoughtful accessories combine into a highly versatile cleaning solution. The Mimyth cordless pressure washer delivers up to 1,200 psi through a 400-watt brushless copper motor, offering significantly more pressure than a standard hose. Its lightweight build and compact size make it ideal for cars, patios, windows, bricks, and outdoor equipment. The 21-volt 4.0 ampere-hours battery provides 30 to 40 minutes of runtime, supported by smart battery management for stable power and heat protection. A 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle and foam cannon allows seamless switching between gentle rinsing and deep scrubbing. The extended 23-foot hose improves reach, while the weighted intake filter enables water draw from buckets, pools, rivers, or faucets. Customers frequently praise its cleaning power, battery life, and portability, especially for travel and small jobs. With a full accessory kit, storage case, and solid build quality, it offers excellent value for users seeking cordless convenience without sacrificing performance. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and don't forget to check the links in the description below for the best cordless pressure washer deals.